good morning. I'm now in the city center of Munich. Where I am now is actually the BMW Headquarters, which you can see from behind me the stadium. The museum, but unfortunately it is not open yet until 10 a.m. So you'll be exploring this place for a while, and I'll show you guys shortly. BMW is a well-known brand, okay, famous for the engineering and the automobile. So I think I'll be learning something soon if I got a chance to speak to the engineers. So that's all for now, and then more updates later on. Okay, bye. I'm now at this Neuschwanstein castle, which is just behind me. A very nice building, built according to history, King Ludwig in the earlier days. Located at a very high mountain, so the only way that you can come out is either by a horse ride, walk up, or even take a shuttle bus, which I did through a shuttle bus. And surrounded by mountains, you see, with the dew and snowy feeling, very nice, very cooling, even though there's sun. I'll be spending some time, staying here, and then I'll catch a view with more updates later on. So meanwhile, let the camera roll, and you can see the views and the scenery. And just opposite me is just the countryside villages. The lake is very beautiful as well. So I'm going there to take a look. Okay, see you guys. Sehr schön. Sehr schön. Sehr schön.